Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening an elevated PowerShell window so permissions don't block package changes. Run Winget version to confirm Winget is installed and current. This prevents failures mid-process. Once done, invoke Winget upgrade all to list available upgrades or add silent to avoid prompts. This first step both discovers what needs updating and initiates changes. You do this now so dependency chains and elevated installs can proceed without interruption, avoiding permission errors that would stop later steps. You now handle the middle, where conflicts and interactive installers appear. First, run Winget upgrade to inspect package ID and target versions so you control what's changing. Use Winget upgrade package ID when a specific app needs attention and add include unknown for source mismatches. If an installer requires choices, run with interactive so you can respond to prompts. Otherwise, use silent to automate. As you proceed, monitor exit codes and logs to detect partial upgrades and avoid cascading failures. You finish by verifying success and handling errors. After upgrades complete, reboot when installers recommend it so services and DLLs reload properly. Next, check Winget info and system logs for non-zero exit codes. This tells you why something failed. If an app failed to update, try Winget uninstall, then Winget install package ID, or clear the Winget cache and repeat the upgrade. That single troubleshooting tip, reinstall the problematic package, often resolves inconsistent states caused by interrupted installers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.